Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an online brokerage account with Webull, full guide step by step clearly. To create an online brokerage account with Webull, start by visiting their official website. Click on the sign up button located on the home page. You will be presented with the option to sign up using your email address or phone number. Select your preferred method and enter the required information. If you choose email, make sure to verify your email account through the link sent to you. If you select phone number, a verification code will be sent via SMS. Enter the verification code to continue the registration process. Next, provide personal information such as your full name, date of birth, and social security number. You will also need to enter your address and employment information. Once you've filled out the required fields, review Webull's terms and conditions. Check the box to agree to the terms and proceed. After that, you will need to answer a few questions regarding your investment experience. This helps Webull assess your suitability for various investment options. Once you complete the questionnaire, you will be directed to create a secure password for your account. Make sure your password is strong and unique. After setting your password, you may be prompted to enable two-factor authentication for added security. Follow the instructions to set this up. Once your account is secured, you will be redirected to the account dashboard. Here, you will need to fund your account to begin trading. Link your bank account by providing the necessary banking details. Webull may require small verification deposits to confirm your bank account. Check your bank account for these small deposits and enter them on Webull to complete the verification. Once your account is funded, you are ready to start trading. Feel free to explore the platform's features, including charts and research tools. Familiarize yourself with different asset types available for trading. Congratulations, your Webull online brokerage account is now fully set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.